Ay, guess the bill. Guess the bill, uy. Wait lang. Guess the bill, guess the bill. No, kita na. Ikaw ra ka. Sila. Tanan. Okay. Me. Wait lang. Guess the bill, me. Guess the bill.
Ay, nakita na niya.
Nakita na? Ikaw din.
Nakita na siya.
No, kalain. Biyang. Guess the bill. Guess the bill.
Sa tanan?
Totoo. Tatanan.
2.5.
5. 2-5 daw, si Bianca. Oh, guess the bill.
Guess the bill.
Guess the bill. Pila man? Pila.
3.5.
Ikaw, tinalay. Guess the bill. Guess the bill.
5K.
5K. Guess the bill, ma. Guess the bill.
5,352.
Ikaw din. Guess the bill. 7. Ikaw ya. Guess the bill. 10K. 10K. Me. Guess the bill, me.
13.
30?
13.
13. 13K. Okay. For me, ako guess. Around 11? 11.
Guess the bill.
Ikaw, negative. Guess the bill.
11.
11. Ikaw.
12K.
Otro? Oh. 11. Ikaw tita.
Ako ba? Kasi kita ba yun?
Tita magbayad? Oh. Uy, 1 pa yun.
9K.
9K. Oh.
13. 12.5.
5. Ticket. Just the bill.
10.5.
10.5. Ako around 11. So reveal. Reveal na? Tita. Reveal daw. So ang real price is
9,000.
and the winner is Ay, picture ba dyan?